Hey, what's up guys, welcome to Draw the Strokes. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to draw Ultra Instant Goku from Dragon Ball Z. So if you're new to my channel, welcome to the family and make sure you subscribe because I post new videos every week. So grab your pencil and paper and follow along with me to draw this picture of Goku. And also, if you feel that if this video is fast, yeah, it is fast, of course. Pause the video whenever it is needed, and without wasting time, let's get started. So first, while you're trying to draw the character, do not be so rushed and hurry, and simply start it off by drawing the eyes as shown in the video. I'm sorry guys, I know at this point it seems very blurred and unclear to you, but it will be getting better within a short time. Now draw some lines to indicate the skin folds. To draw his hair well balanced, lay out the outline as kind of pyramid shape and fill it out by drawing the hair strands as shown in the video. After you are done with the layout of the hair, add some lines inside the hair strands to get details out of it. If drawing his neck muscles and his body feels a bit tricky and uncomfortable, I suggest you guys to pause the video if needed. Now I'm adding some shading to his clothes and some parts of his body to make it look more good. Now to draw the arms of the character, just use the basic shapes like cylinder and then fill it up with muscles as shown in the video. So using such basic shapes like cylinder helped me a lot in drawing the arms of the character. It feels a bit tricky job to draw the fingers of the character, so have patience and spend some time on drawing it. And use the same formula to draw the other hand. Now draw the cloth around his waist. Drawing few more lines around the cloth so that I can indicate the cloth folds. So now I am darkening the outlines of my character, and I'm also gonna add aura around the character so that it may look way more better. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you liked it. If you do, give it a thumbs up and also comment your opinion below. See you in my next video. Until then, bye.